Hey everyone, Happy New Year. Hope your 2024 is off to a great start. I wanted to resume my video series about SEO and digital marketing topics with a subject that I think is one of the more confusing parts of SEO. It's also something that I get the most questions about, and that is link building and backlinking. So I want to talk about what backlinking is. I'll show an example of what a backlink looks like in real life, and also talk about what backlinking is not. That's a point of confusion. A lot of clients think they're building links, but they're actually doing something completely different. And then also run you through a tool that we use and talk about some tools you can use to figure out your backlink profile and to maybe set a link building strategy if you're going to be doing SEO. So to start off with, what is a backlink? So a backlink is simply when one website includes a link on their site that points back to your website. I've got an example of what a backlink looks like here in real life. You can see on the screen the term ham radio and 10 meter are hyperlinks. If I were to click on either of these, you would be taken back to our client's website. We built these backlinks for our client. These links go to separate pages, and they're designed to help some of our clients' key pages rank better for their target keywords. So link building is important because search engines rank websites primarily based on authority. And we measure something called domain authority or domain rating. It's a number 0 to 100, with the higher the number, the more authoritative or strong a website is in Google's eyes. So one of the primary components of increasing domain rating is building links. If you think about it, a website that's been around a long time, a brand that's been in business for a while, or a brand that's been doing SEO for consistently for a while, is going to naturally have more backlinks than a website or a brand that's relatively new, or one that has never done SEO before. And so the brand with more or the website with more backlinks is going to have a higher chance to rank for competitive keywords than the website that's newer or that doesn't have as many backlinks. So that's why when we are proposing an SEO plan to a client, we're going to be taking a look at their backlink profile first and looking at some of their keywords they want to rank for and showing them how many links they're going to need to build, usually over like a 12-month period in order to rank for that keyword. So what is link building not? So a lot of times clients will come and tell me, well, they'll say I'm building, or I'm writing blogs, I'm writing articles, and we're building backlinks to our product pages that way. That is actually not a backlink. That's not link building. That is what's called internal linking. It's an important part of SEO, but it's not the same thing as a backlink. A backlink has to take place off of your website, even off of a subdomain. It needs to be a completely separate website in order for it to be considered a backlink. So how do you know how many backlinks you have? What tools can you use if you're interested in doing some link building? There's a lot of options out there. You may have heard of tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs. There's Majestic, Moz, SE Ranking. There's a lot of tools out there. Most of them are paid, but they all will basically give you the same information. If you put a website into them, you're going to figure out, how much traffic that site has and how many backlinks it has, and then you're going to get a ton of more information. So we use at Sitemap Ahrefs when we're looking at SEO information for any website, especially for link building information. So again, you can put in these tools, you can put in any website. You're going to get not only an approximate number of amount of traffic, you're going to figure out how many individual domains or individual websites are linking back to this site and how many individual backlinks that this site has. You can get much more granular in these tools. You can put in a keyword and figure out how many links you might need to build in order to rank for that keyword. You can also see how each page on your website and how many individual backlinks that they have and where they're coming from. There's a lot of possibilities and a lot of data that you can get from these tools. And so if you're going to be doing SEO, this would be a really helpful place to start, would be to get one of these tools and kind of learn about your backlink profile. So that's the basics of backlinks, what they are, why they matter, and how you can kind of figure out what your backlink profile looks like. If you've got questions, feel free to drop a comment in this video or shoot me an email if you've got it, and I will do my best to get back to you. All right, thanks.